To go from truck driver to logistics management for the federal government? Well, it's possible. Let's get started. Today, with me, Lisa, I'm showing you a brand new federal resume example using the very own OPM two-page expectations. But this time, it's for someone with a completely 100% civilian background. This individual has spent 15 years in supply. Started as a truck driver, then moved inside the warehouse, then just grew into the logistics lead. And now he wants to make a transition into the federal logistics management, which I worked in. And under the new OPM expectations, you do not need a 6-page resume. You do not need a long list of tasks you've completed. You don't need paragraphs or heavy narratives. What you need is a clean, strategic, 2-page resume that shows impact. Let me show you why this resume works. Let's start with the beginning, the summary. It tells the whole story in seconds. It quickly establishes 15 years of supply and logistic experience. It started in transportation and then advanced toward leadership. It understands compliance, safety, inventory, movement, and workflow. It shows that you're ready for federal logistics roles. No fluff, no jargon, just duties. Just a clean and clear value statement. Now the competencies are exactly what the federal HR is looking for. They're not looking for random skills, not general phrases. Things like logistics, coordination, inventory control, distribution, quality assurance, operation. These need to align directly with the federal logistics management position standards, which you can find straight on the OPM. Now you want the experience uses the new OPM Impact First format. Notice how short, and sharp each bullet are. Increased accuracy, reduced errors, improved workflow, supported large facilities, trained teams, ensured regulatory compliance. Every bullet, boom, 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 is a result. And that is what the federal reviewers want now. Not last year, not 6 months ago, now. This career story, the breadth of the career, shows progression. Federal HR loves seeing clear upward mobility. Truck driver, warehouse, logistics lead, up and up and up. This shows initiative and development without even saying words. Hardworking, motivated. Your resume shows it for you. Now, the fifth one, it fits clearly into 2 pages and says everything it needs to. That's the new OPM standard. It is no longer long, 10, 12 pages. It's no longer emotional. It's no longer stuffed with keywords. It's just clean, strong, and ready. If there's a career field that you would like to see customized for an example, drop it in the comments because the hiring process, it's changed. And the people who adapt first get ahead by any means necessary. Let me know.